Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Hampton Bay window unit. You can see here. Let me put my ear cat. Here, say something, kitty. Come here, fatty. You gotta say something. Okay. Here's my Hampton Bay. See if I can show you something here. Don't know if you guys can see it here, but it uses R22. It is energy efficient, it says. It's made in China. It says it has an LG compressor. It says it uses 115 4.8 amps. It uses 520 watts. It's a 5,000 BTU, I believe. Oh no, it's 9.7. It's R22, 7.8 ounces. Ooh. It's kind of noisy. Oh, fat cat. You agree, kitty? Yeah, of course you will agree. You always agree. Let me show you this. This is a video also for Jordan U, if he likes Hampton Bay's window units. This is high fan. Oh. Listen to that. Whew. If we go over here, you can hear. I can feel it over here because I put it by my bed. This is a low fan. A lot quieter, a lot quieter. Now it's kicking on to low cool. So you can hear here. It's very quiet when I'm holding this. Hear that? See if you can hear the compressor here. But you can hear the plastic rattling. It takes a while to get cold. The coils need to be cleaned. I don't think they have been cleaned since 2004. But it does work. Oh yeah. Slowly blowing cold air. Works better than the modern Chinese ones we got. Here's high cool. Whew. Yeah, look at that. Hold it here and now it won't. Now you hear the compressor. She works like a charm. Well, anyways, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you and goodbye.